caramel.
Wait, you're adding caramel?
No, just like the browned edges added some caramel. That's what Stefano calls me. It is Valentine's Day, and Stefano and I don't really like celebrating Valentine's Day. We would much rather just show our love every day rather than feel the pressure of, you know, having this like really nice romantic day once a year. And also it's like, it kind of is like a kick to the balls to people who aren't in relationships. It's like, hey, just a reminder, you're still lonely. It's like kind of messed up, you know? But because there's a baby in here, I don't know, I'm like becoming all domesticated. Stefano's always wanted me to bake or cook. He's never really told me that, but I know he'd be like, wow, like, would you be interested in baking this or baking cookies or this or that? And I'm like, psh, no, like I'm terrible in the kitchen. But today I just kind of want to surprise him. He loves cheesecake, so I'm gonna make him a cheesecake, dairy-free cheesecake, because homeboy just came to terms with the fact that he is for sure lactose intolerant. So wish me luck. Now I am grinding or smashing the graham crackers. Yesterday, Stefano said that he called every flower shop and said that they won't deliver to us because we're located basically in the hood. He got flowers delivered to me and they're gorgeous. Look at that. Happy Valentine's Day, my pretty preggy princess. That's what he calls me. You're the only person I'd want to embark on this journey with. Yeah, I lucked out with this one. In other news, I really fucked up the first step, which was smashing graham crackers and sugar. Instead of a quarter cup of sugar, I put equal parts graham crackers and sugar, and then I tasted it and I was like, this does not taste right. So I did toss that. Fun fact, this is the first time I've used our mixer. And I'm already tired. Okay, that's in there. Shit's not rocket science. Oh, the timer is done. God, this is terrible. Some mittens. Open this bad boy up. Take this out. Look at this mess, guys. I'm seriously the worst at baking. I always get so overwhelmed, especially because it's already 5 and Stefano's gonna be here by 6. So by the time he gets here, the cheesecake is not gonna be ready because it needs like 4 hours to cool. I don't mean to yell at you, I'm just yelling at myself, frustrated that it took so damn long to get my shit together. Oh, wow. I get really frazzled when I cook. And I don't know about you guys. For those that aren't domesticated, do you get frazzled too? This is a terrible angle. I really wanted to have this place like tidied up and super clean. Surprise him with the cheesecake and make it all romantic, but I just failed miserably. I think it's because I like meditated for like 30 minutes today and then did yoga, which was seriously so necessary. I've been feeling pretty wonky lately. I haven't really been feeling myself, to be honest. Shit. Another thing, I get really frustrated very easily if I don't get things done my way. I guess that's just part of being pregnant. Like you get so flustered, like your hormones are at an all-time high where you're just like, F you world. For instance, I had trouble opening a can of coconut oil and I called Stefano. I was like, it's not opening up. I don't know what to do. And then he gave me a trick that his mom told him and it worked. And then I felt like an idiot. Shit, I lost myself. Guys, that does not taste good. I knew I should have gotten regular cream cheese. Cracking this bitch. So unnecessary to swear like that, but I just did. For the filling, this looks very liquidy, into the pan. 0 minutes. Start. I did it! Let's just hope it's somewhat decent. Now is my attempt to make a strawberry topping. Maybe let's add a little bit more. This is the strawberry reduction. Can I call it that? It's like a fancier way of saying strawberry sauce. The final product, it's a little toasty, but it's okay. For the first time, I don't think it's terrible. I'm letting it cool off right now. I don't have a cooling rack, so I just had to make do with that. So a little trick that I learned from Farm Girl Flowers, put your vase at the edge of a table or a counter, bring your flowers and see how the height that you'd want it, and then you literally just trim it where the base is. I'll fill it up with water. You want it to be room temperature. Looks so pretty. Happy Valentine's Day.
What did you make? I smell it. There's something in the air. Holy! Hold the phone.
Don't touch it! Don't touch it. You're about to fuck up my masterpiece. I gotta let it cool for another hour, and then we'll put it in there for an hour. And it's vegan.
It's vegan?
I mean, sorry, not vegan. Dairy free.
Why'd you do dairy free?
Because I don't want you to pee out of your asshole.
What kind of dairy free?
Why does it matter? Just accept it and be thankful.
Thank you.
Jesus Christ. Look what I got from Berkeley Bowl. Move that, please. Your favorite snacks. Oh, but they're honey. Shit, I didn't know
That's
they're honey.
fine. Sushi rice.
Sushi rice, soba, and then underneath
Curry.
Japanese curry, and then brownie mix.
Oh! Ho, 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 ho! Brownies. What kind of brownies?
Double chocolate.
Oh, these don't need any dairy either. These don't need it. They need oil, water, egg.
Why are you saying it like that?
That's it. I haven't had cheesecake for years.
You've always wanted me to bake, right?
Thank you, Jen.
You're welcome.
Happy V-Day.
Show everybody what I got you for Valentine's Day. Ooh, $20. You look so sexy. Look at you. Look at you.
You could take out my boo for me?
I take out your boo for you.
You could take out my boo for
no.
me? Cheese corn.
We made TGIF barbecue wings. Yes, the frozen ones. With the cheese corn.
Yeah.
Hi guys. We had a very, 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 very important test today. So Stefano came with me this morning and he's working from home today. And we passed out early last night. So we're finally gonna have the cheesecake now. Hey, can you calm down over there? I'm trying to vlog. Let's open this bad boy. I really hope it's delicious, baby boy. Ooh, man, that's a slippery one. And if you're wondering, I bought this amazing pan from Savers for $7. Ooh, caramel.
Wait, you're adding caramel?
No, just like the browned edges and some caramel. That's what Stefano calls me.
I do? Brown sugar.
Oh, brown sugar. Same thing. Look at that. I hope it's good. It's good? Really?
Wow.
I didn't mess up?
No.
Yay! High five.
Wow, that's really good. It's really sweet and good.
I'm happy you like it. I can't believe I made it.
I know, I'm proud of you. It's really good.
Thank you. I can make a cheesecake.
Have a lovely day.
Mmm.
Just leave out the cheesecake because I'm gonna have one.
The graham cracker is my favorite part.
They won't even know.
So cute. Pregnant's the best because your mom serves you your favorite Filipino breakfast dish, which is bungos, beef steak. My dad's making me suka, which is fish sauce, garlic, and vinegar. I get to see my childhood pup. Rocky's 15. Bongos is my favorite.
Gary, yeah, little ones.
Suka is my favorite. Being pregnant's the best because I get everything that I want from my parents.
What about me?
And you.
Of course, you.
You give me everything every day.
I got her flowers. You did? What else did I get you?
A calendar.
No, it was agenda.
A calendar of him in full nude.
Huh? Huh?
You have keys? Oh, they're keys. I don't have it yet. How are you gonna get in?
No, we have it with us.
Somebody, I just wanted in to don't forget to give to me. Hello? No,
You guys are losing it. What do you have to say?
no makeup.
Yeah, but what do you have to say about it, Mom?
It's good.
But next time she said, make it thicker.
There.
What about you, Dad?
It's very good. Is this Martha Stewart's cooking?
All full of you know what.
Full of shit.
Nothing.
It's vegan.
No way.
There's no cheese in it, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I could never tell.
You can't tell, right?
I can tell.
Oh
I
my
knew it.
god.
I just couldn't break your...
My heart?
Yeah, you're cooking because you're trying.
Oh my god.
That's very good. I get it.
Really? Thank you.
No
It's
cream,
the texture. It's the texture.
no cream cheese
Yeah.
taste.
Yeah, you can take.
Jeez, okay. Oh, hold the reins. Just chill
I think
out.
it's pretty damn good though.
It's good for no cream
I have to
cheese.
throw it down. I have to throw it down. Press it up slowly. Turn it up. It's very good.
Oh, I need some.
You just missed your mouth.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, yeah, good.
Oh, Bruno Mars. Uptown Funk. Yeah.
You can't chew.
Okay, go. Can you use your diaphragm? Seth, we cannot hear you at all. Seth's friends had a work trip and they rented a cabin in Tahoe. And I probably should have vlogged the entire time, but you know, I just wasn't really in the moment. But here's the cabin. Steph, say hi. Hello, beautiful people. Today is Thursday, February 20th. What's
Today
today?
is Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday.
February 21st.
February 21st. And Steph and I had a really, really big test last week. The doctor told us that we had a 1 in 64 chance of a baby possibly having an extra chromosome, meaning the baby might have Down syndrome. And so we had two options to either do a blood test that is 98% accurate or 99.6% accurate, or needle in the placenta, pull out the placenta fluid. That's a 100% accuracy. So we did that last Thursday. You guys were so sweet and sent such good vibes and prayers last week when I posted on Instagram to just send some prayers. It was definitely a sensitive and scary time, which is why I didn't really vocalize it. I just asked everybody to send prayers, and thank you so much for doing so. We got a call this morning that the baby is healthy. We are very, very, very taken care of, and we could not be more excited to have like a healthy little baby in me. And Steph's really sick right now. He's on Dayquil.
Oh, sorry. Don't look at me.
But
I feel like shit.
hey, no, you can't even open it like that. You're just, I'm vlogging and you just open the envelope. So
I didn't open it.
inside this envelope is the gender. I really wanted to do a reveal at like maybe our shower, which is like in May, but Stefano, being the introvert that he is, told me, thank you for that, told me that he would much rather just do it in private. So clearly we're gonna do it in private, just the two of us, while he's high on Dayquil, and of course vlog it. So Steph likes to have control over everything, okay? Like everything. And I actually really like it because I'm just a very chill person, and I'm like, hey, if you wanna take the reins, it's cool. But I felt like my body, my rules, I wanna wait to find the gender. And so I've kind of been torturing him. Like we've had this since our last appointment on Thursday when we had the ultrasound. So the ultrasound technician put it in like a very secure envelope. You can't even see through it because there are like lines in there. So, you ready?
I'm ready.
I gave in. I wanted to torture Stefano, but
Hey, your exposure is wrong.
it's okay. Do you want to open it or do you want to open it
Let's
together?
open it together.
All right, you open that side. Okay, I will open it because you're just, okay, I opened halfway. So do we think it's a boy or a girl?
I think it's a G.
You think it's a girl?
Yeah.
We want a girl, but I think that it's a boy.
It's probably a boy.
I'm happy either way.
It's a boy.
Is it?